The next topic is 6.7 pie charts. A pie chart is a circle graph divided into sectors, each displaying the size of some related piece of information. Example of pie chart. This is the example of pie charts. These are the degrees of the sectors. Next topic is 6.8 constructing pie charts. Steps of construction. We know that the measure of the angle around the center of the circle is 360 degree. Therefore, calculate the degree measure of each item to be represented on the pie chart. Point. For each item, the ratio of the degree measured to 360 degree should be in proportion to the ratio of the item to the whole. The fourth point, draw a circle. The next one is draw a radius at the 12 o'clock position. The last point is starting with the radius as the base, keep drawing the angles corresponding to each item one by one in the clockwise directions. These are the steps of constructions for pie charts. Exercise 6.4, second question. Construct a pie chart with all the details showing the music preference of 200 young adults. The first column is types of music. The second column is number of young adults. The third column is number of degrees. The fourth column is percentage. Here the first column, types of music: pop, light music, rock and roll, jazz and classic. The number of young adults is pop for 100 adults, light 50, rock and roll 26, jazz 20, classical 4. The overall is 200. Now finding the third column, number of degrees. Number of degrees. First one is pop. The number of adult is 100 divided by the total is 200 into 360 degree. 0 0 cancelled, 0 0 cancelled, 2 tables, 360 is 180 degree. So the pop-up is 180 degree. The number of degree of pop-up is 180 degree. The next one is light, that is 50. Light is equal to 50. The overall is 200 into 360 degree. 0 0 cancel. Here this 0 cancel. 2 tables, 18. 5 into 18 is equal to 90 degree. Light is, the number of degree is 90 degree. The next one is rock and roll, that is 26 number of adults. The next one is rock and roll is equal to 26 divided by 200 into 360 degree. 0 0 cancels. 10 times, this is 18 times. 26 into 18 is 468 divided by 10 is equal to 46.8 degree. Rock and roll, the number of degree is 46.8 degree. The next one is jazz, that is number of adults is 20. Next, jazz is equal to number of adults is 20 divided by 200 into 360 degree. 0 0 cancel. Here this 0 cancel. 2 2 cancel. Remainder is 36 degrees. Now jazz, the number of degree is 36 degree. The last one is classical, that is number of adult is 4. The next one is classical. The number of adult, that is 4 divided by the total is 200 into 360 degree. 0 0 cancel. This is 1 times, this is 5 times, 36 divided by 5 is equal to 7.2 degree. Classical number of degree is 7.2 degree. Now you can add this third column, 180 plus 90 plus 46.8 plus 36 degree plus 7.2 degree. The overall is 360 degree. The last column is percentage. How will you find the percentage of this pop music, light music, rock and roll music, jazz and classical? Here pop is, the number of degree is 180 degree. Pop is equal to 180 divided by 360 into 100. Pop is 50%. Here the pop percentage is 50%. The next one is light. Light is, the number of degree is 90 degree. Light is equal to 90 divided by 360 into 100 is equal to 25%. Light percentage is 25%. The next one is rock and roll. Here the number of degree is 46.8 degree. Rock and roll, 46.8 divided by 360 into 100 is equal to 13%. Rock and roll, the percentage is 13%. The next one is jazz, that is 36. The number of degree is 36 degree. Jazz is equal to 36 divided by 360 into 100 is equal to 10%. Jazz is equal to 10%. The next last one is classical. The number of degree is 7.2 degree. Classical, 7.2 divided by 360 into 100 is equal to 2%. The classical number of percentage is 2%. The fourth column percentage, now you can add this percentage, the overall is 100%. The tabular column is finished. Now you can draw the pie chart using this number of degrees. Pie chart, taking the compass of measurement of radius in any degree. Now I can take the measurement of radius is 5 centimeter. Now draw the circle. Is this the center point? Next, draw the baseline starting with the radius from center point. Now this is the baseline. The first degree, the pop, the first one is pop. The degree of pop is 180 degree. Using the protractor, place it on center radius. Here measuring the outer values of the protractor. Here 180 is here. Now draw the line from the center. This is the pop area, 180 degree. The pop is 50% of the pie chart. Next, draw the light from the center. Here the degree is 90. 90 is measured here. Point out. Now draw the line. This is 90 degree of light, 25%. Next, draw the rack and roll. Place the protector. The rock and roll degree is 46.8. Here 46 is 46.8. Is this rock and roll? 46.8 degree. Rock and roll 13%. Next, draw the jazz. Jazz is 36 degree. Now draw the line. Jazz 36 degree. Jazz is 10%. Now the last one is classical. Classical is 7.2 degree. Place the protector here. 7.2 degree. The measurement is already in 7.2 degree. Now write the degree. 7.2 degree. Classical 2%. Draw some designs to the interior of the angles, because to differentiate the types of the musics. This is the legend. In this box, the detail box, it is the detail box. It is called a legend. Exercise 6.4 homework sum. First question, third question, fourth question and fifth question.